everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign into your Skype account on your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into your Skype account on your desktop, you can do this on Skype application that has been installed on your device, or you can simply visit the web browser. Once you click open your web browser, in the search box type in www.skype.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Microsoft Skype. If you'd like to download the application on your device, simply click on Download Skype link right below Create a Free Video Call button. If you'd like to log into your account, click on Sign In at the upper right and click on My Account. You'll need to enter your Microsoft account's credential to continue logging into Skype. Start by entering your email, your phone number or your Skype ID. You can enter any one of them and click on Next. Now, enter the password for your account. Make sure to type in the valid password without making any kind of a mistake. Make sure your caps lock is turned off. And if you'd like the system to remember you, you can check this box that says keep me signed in so that you won't have to log in again and again next time. In case you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. Finally, after entering all the credentials, click Sign In, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into Skype account. If you'd like to use the Skype online version, you can go and click on your name at the upper right and click on Use Skype Online, and you'll be able to use the web version of Skype. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.